by using this simple CSS property, you don't need to use the media queries for your font size or your spacing problems. So let's know how. So here I have this very simple page. It just have some heading and one paragraph tag. If we see it on the live server, you can see this is the heading and here we have some description. Now if I try to resize my screen, you can see the size of the heading and the paragraph doesn't change. So how we can actually implement the responsive for heading? We will use a very simple property and we will not need to use any media query for it. So first I will target the H1. And then I will write font size and then I will simply write clamp. And now this clamp will need 3 inputs. One is the minimum size that I want to give it. So I will give it 16 pixel. Then it needs the relative size. So we can keep it whatever we want based on width or height. So I will keep it as 2 view width. So suppose you have a screen of 1200 and you give it 2 view width. So 1200, it will calculate the 2% of that 1200 and then it will size it accordingly. And then we need to give the maximum size. So I will give it like 42 pixels. And now let's save it and see it on the browser. Let's refresh. And when I am changing the size of the viewport, you can see it's the mobile. And if I keep on increasing it, so you can see it's changing. Yeah, this is taking the width. Similar thing you can do with your width, height, margin and padding. You can give them a minimum size, a maximum size, and in between you need to give